In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collapsible product description section in Shopify. This is a great way to keep your product pages clean and easy to scan, while still giving customers all the details they need. Instead of showing one long block of text, your description will sit inside a section that can be expanded or collapsed, which looks a lot more professional. First, log into your Shopify admin and head over to your main dashboard. From here, look for the online store section in the left-hand menu, and then open the themes page. This is where all the code and settings for your storefront live. Next, on your current theme, click on the three dots menu next to the customize or edit option. Before you touch any code, create a backup. Choose duplicate theme. This makes a safe copy of your theme so that if anything goes wrong, you can simply switch back without breaking your live store. Once the duplicate theme is created, find it in the list and click on Edit Code. Make sure you're editing the duplicated version, not the one that's currently live. In the code editor, confirm that you're inside your main theme folder, which might be called something like Dawn or another theme name you're using. On the left-hand side, open the Sections folder. Scroll until you see a file called mainproduct.liquid and click on it. This file controls the layout and content of your product page. To quickly find the product description area, use the search within the file by pressing Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac. In the search box that appears, type the word description. This will jump you to the part of the code where Shopify outputs your product description. Look for a section that includes logic like when description or similar wording. Around this area, you'll see a block of HTML that starts with a div tag and ends with another closing div. Carefully click and highlight from the opening of that block to the closing div that wraps the description section. Now, go to the link provided in the video description to access the code snippet you'll need. Copy that entire snippet, come back to the Shopify code editor, and paste it in place of the block you just highlighted. In the pasted code, find the part that says render icon caret. Highlight that and delete it to avoid any icon issues. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. Then preview your theme and open a product page. You should now see your product description inside a collapsible section that customers can expand